Good morning from Andorra. Right now we woke up, it's like 11 in the morning, we did the checkout and this is how it looks like again. Very clear sky. You can actually see the mountain over there. We are going to spend a bit more time over here, additional 3 hours, and then we are going to make our way to Toulouse in France. I mean, yesterday we were probably somewhere over there. Now I can't even imagine how good it will be looking. Next time I'm in Andorra, we're definitely going there. So now we are going to walk around Andorra for a bit. Although the temperature, I might actually want to, get rid of at least one of the jackets, if not both of them. So this is the path. It probably spans like around on both sides. So we're going to walk this way. I still haven't found a way how to actually take a picture of them so it resembles the city name. So it's slowly becoming the time that we should go to the bus station and get ready to embark the bus. So let's do just that, and I guess see you in Toulouse. This is the bus we took. We've made it to France, to Toulouse, with a bit of a delay because there were so many car crashes on the highways, so traffic was super slow. The only thing probably I want to do right now is to go to the accommodation. No need to rush because we still have got pretty much one entire day over here, and the second day is going to be, like half of the day. So basically this is our accommodation. It looks like just like this, but with the exception, like we've got actually a private bathroom and stuff, which is like right over there. But yeah, tomorrow is going to be the exploration day of Toulouse, and hopefully you are actually enjoying this series. So see you tomorrow. It's already another day, and now we are in Toulouse, in the city center. The weather is very nice. The first thing I noticed, we took the metro to actually get to the city center. It runs pretty much every 2 minutes, but it's a short metro. But I would definitely prefer a shorter metro running more frequently than like a longer metro running every 10 or 20 minutes, that's for sure. So we visited the central market. I got this. I forgot the name of this. I'm not really sure, but this was quite expensive. This one was like €4 for 25 grams. Apparently it can be used for every kind of meat, also fish. This bridge actually reminds me of Sevilla because how the river is shaped, This definitely reminds me of my stay in Nice like 4 years ago. Like if it smells like bubblegum, it's going to soon smell like piss, and this is the reason, because there are like public urinals. So basically we just were over there, then we just passed through the bridge, went around here, and now we are walking through this bridge back to the, I guess, the city center, which is over there. The central train station right now in like broad daylight. So this is the last night over here in Toulouse. and actually last night of the trip. I decided to go for a little walk. So obviously it's going to be full of people. I mean, bars and restaurants are full of people because it's Friday night, and yeah, well, it's self-explanatory. I mean, I wouldn't say that it's like super lively as, for example, Naples, but still has a nice atmosphere. It's like more or less calm. And I don't know whether I said it or not, but Toulouse, I mean, for me, it looks like a very safe city. I had no problems walking around, but again, I just walked mainly around the city center, so maybe the situation on the outskirts are different. There's probably not much to do like anymore. We still have got roughly 2 hours until we need to go to the airport. But yeah, I will probably just go and buy some souvenirs because I don't have any yet. So we've gotten to the airport and it took like forever because we went by this tram, but it was going very slow. I mean, it took like half an hour, I would say, but the fact that we were going like super slow made it, you know, feel like 2 hours or something. But anyways, this is the airport where we are going to fly from. Feel free to watch any of my other videos and also stay tuned for next ones. Take care.